So can you put aquarium ornaments in the dishwasher? Let's find out. So for anyone that has fake plants in their aquarium, they're tough to clean. I'm looking for an alternative. I don't really care too much about these. They're old, lots of algae, snails, whatnot. The dragonstone shouldn't be an issue. It has lots of algae on it. But let's see what happens to the fake aquarium plants. I'm not going to be using any soap, just water, and I'm going to run one cycle. Okay, it's done its cycle. I have an option here where I don't have to use high temp, so I didn't select that. Let's see how we did. Steamy. Dragonstone looks good. Nice. It's all intact, not melted. So there you go. You can absolutely clean these on the top rack of a dishwasher. Excellent.